Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple ID and device status. Sign into iCloud on the device you'll use to check backups. Once signed in, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so the listing process won't fail mid-check. Make sure the device runs a compatible iOS version because older backups sometimes require specific updates. If needed, update your device now before proceeding. This avoids seeing backups you can't restore later. You now find the actual backup list. On an iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Manage Storage and Backups to view dates and device names. On a Mac, open System Settings, click Apple ID, iCloud, then Manage and Backups. Note that iCloud.com shows synced data like photos and contacts but not full device backups, so don't expect to restore from there. Once you see backup timestamps, confirm which backup matches your target device and date. You finish by choosing restoration or recovery steps. If you'll restore a full backup, make a fresh local copy of current data, then erase the device and during setup select Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the correct date. If you only need certain files, use iCloud Drive or AppSync to pull them without a full restore. If a backup is missing, make sure you're on the exact Apple ID, check whether family sharing affected visibility, and contact Apple support if you still can't.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.